Today I'm servicing an OKI printer, OKI matrix printer. First of all, disconnect all the power and take off the covering. This printer's got a bit of ink build up on the roller, quite a bit actually. It's also transferring onto the paper, and the printer head is not printing everything onto the paper. It's missing sections of digits and letters, so we'll try and fix that as well. You can see there's build up on that roller. Take out the ribbon. Ribbon's wrecked. We'll replace that. If you need to buy more ribbon, click on the link below if you're in Australia. Just using a brush to clean up a lot of the excess now. You go in with a vacuum cleaner and suck it all out. Be gentle around the ribbon to the printer head. You don't want to damage that. I've actually got a blower. Didn't have a spare vacuum cleaner, but there's a lot of gunk in there. As you can see, it's a bit of alcohol that I'm spraying on a Chuck's wipe, just wiping the roller clean. Be gentle, go back and forth, rotate it around, and just make sure you clean everything off there. Next, we want to oil up the guide, so I've just cleaned it out there. We'll use a silicone oil, and we don't want to spray it straight onto the guide, because you can spray it onto the roller as well. So I'm going to spray it on a Chuck's and then wipe it on. Just cleaning off any excess oil that I've got on the roller. Now I've removed the printer head. There's a few clips, just be very careful, pull it straight out. Clean up the printer head. The end there is all the prongs that come out, presses down on the paper. And if you're still having issues after a good clean out, try and increase the DPI on your printer settings on your computer. By increasing these settings can fix the missing parts of the letters and numbers, but by increasing it will slow down your printing. But if this fixes it, you don't need to buy a new printer head. A printer head will cost you about $100. You can buy in the link below. There's an affiliate link, so it does help me out. But avoid buying that printer head because it is pricey. So try the DPI settings by increasing it. Otherwise, clean it all out, make sure the connections are good, and plug it back in. Replace the ribbon, and then put the whole thing back together again, and you should be happy. Now if you're still watching my video, that means you liked it, hopefully. Like and subscribe.